Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to select and deselect cells in Google Sheets. Now this might sound super basic, but trust me, mastering these selection techniques is essential if you want to work confidently and efficiently in your spreadsheets. By the end of this video, you'll know several different ways to highlight exactly the area you want, whether it's a single cell, a whole row, a column, or even the entire sheet. So let's get right into it. First up, let's start with the simplest move, selecting a single cell. All you need to do is click anywhere inside that cell with your mouse. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue outline appear around it. This blue border is Google Sheets' way of saying, hey, this is the cell we're working with. Now, if you decide you don't want that cell selected anymore, you can just click somewhere else, and Sheets will instantly switch your focus to the new spot. It's like pointing your finger at something on a piece of paper. You show Google Sheets exactly where your attention is. Now, let's say you want to work with an entire column of data. Here's a tip that'll save you a ton of time. Instead of dragging your mouse all the way down, just move up to the very top of the column and click the letter at the top, like the A, B, or C. When you click that column header, every cell in that column, no matter how far down it goes, will be highlighted at once. This is perfect for applying formatting, sorting, or making quick edits to all the data in a column. And just like before, if you want to deselect it, simply click anywhere outside the selection or choose another area instead. Alright, what if you want to do the same thing but for a row? No problem, just look along the left edge of your sheet where you see numbers stacking downward. If you click directly on a number, say the 4 or the 11, you'll instantly select every cell in that row from left to right. It works just like the columns, but this time you're grabbing an entire horizontal line of data. This is really handy when you want to apply changes to an entire entry or copy data for a whole day, customer, or product, for example. But maybe you're looking to select everything, the whole sheet top to bottom. There's a little trick here. See the tiny empty rectangle in the very top left corner, right between the A column header and the 1 row header. Go ahead and click right there. This will highlight every single cell at once, from the very first to the very last. It's your all-access button if you ever need to clear, format, or analyze everything at the same time. Don't worry, it won't make changes unless you actually do something next. Now, sometimes you need just a specific chunk of cells, not a whole row or column, but maybe a 3 by 3 square, a handful of names, or a section of your budget. Here, how you do it: start by clicking the first cell in the area you want. Then, holding down the left mouse button, drag your cursor across the range you want to select. As you move, you'll see the highlight box growing to match exactly what you're selecting. Don't rush, this part might take a few moments if you're working with a big area, but it makes it so much easier to edit or format just the section you need. And that's it. With these selection skills under your belt, you'll be able to move around your Google Sheets like a pro, working faster and with way less frustration. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more tips for Google Sheets. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.